Every night I dream of freedom, and then I open my eyes and I'm in the same familiar jail cell. I take a few minutes to swallow my disappointment and begin my morning push-ups. Maybe tomorrow I'll wake up somewhere else. I've not lost hope. This is important, especially if you are at home and you're not yet as successful as you want to be, if you don't have your life in exactly the place you want it, if you still feel trapped, whether it's financially or some other way. You wake up and you must be dreaming of freedom, but when your eyes open, after the disappointment, swallow the disappointment, take a minute and look around you and say, I deserve more than this. But then, what's the important point? You must begin to work instantly. I did not miss a single day of training in that jail cell. I didn't sit and say, I'm too depressed, I'm too sad, it's too cold in this freezing cell, I didn't eat enough because it's Ramadan. No excuses. Every single day we trained, we woke up disappointed, we swallowed the disappointment, and we got to training every single day. If we could train in a freezing cold jail cell in Romania, with cockroaches all around us, with no idea when we're going to be allowed freedom once again, you can train in a nice gym, air-conditioned gym in California. What is your excuse? If you imagine something truly and fully, if you truly, completely imagine it, to a degree your body will react to it. Let me give you an example. If you truly imagined yourself at war, day after day, you imagined yourself under attack, defeating the Matrix agents, you're top G, you're walking through life, the agents are coming, you're doing Aikido, and you're destroying them, and you're the most powerful man in the world. If you truly imagined that and felt it in your mind to the point where you thought you were there and you felt it in your body, I would guarantee you, after X amount of time, you would have a higher testosterone level and your muscles would be stronger than if you didn't. I will guarantee you that.
Good day, my friends. Traders, shall we dive in? Lots to cover. I'm covering markets closed today. We're not going to see much from Bitcoin. A little bit up, a little bit down, but long story short, let's cover what has happened. All right, so we got West Texas. Oil. This is beautiful. We're on the day chart. I'm just going to go on the hour chart for now. So this was following the process that goes also with gold. So right now, so prior, this would have been, so that's Friday to here, or maybe even here to Friday to there. Yeah, I believe so. Very bolstered. Beautiful climb. Let's check out the supports. You know, it's staying lovely trend in the sweet spot of 60, $65 to 90. It's beautiful. What can we expect? We don't know. It's possible that tomorrow it's going to open with a gap. See, it looks like that sell-off, this to this, will be filled. But we could also even expect that, depends if something drastic happens today or even early Sunday. But I'm expecting we're going to open with maybe a little bit of a gap. So open here with a little bit of positivity back to here. Overall, I'm not expecting a drastic sell-off, guys. Perhaps, a bounce to then climb to 88. That's the target. So TP 88, guys, 88. Follow my signals if you'd like. But you could even buy in again right there. Lots of money to be made. Moving on. So we got Bitcoin. Here it is. Okay, so it is giving the signal of a decline. It's very possible. So there's a lot to cover right here. So this whole area, uncharted territory, technically. This is all just brave new land because it's never been there before, right? However, this is so there. Boom. Beautiful confirmation of what? Say it with me, guys. A beautiful strong support. So what is the number to that strong support? I think I even said it in the last video. Beautiful 92. So let's say you did buy in where I told you to buy in. You would be up, well, it's positive 2100 right now. Beautiful strength. Strong support. Is it possible that it could break? Yes. you know, but I do believe we will be seeing 95, 108, all that. I do believe we will see it again. Let's see if I can dive in a little further. Don't be surprised. Strong bounce, slow movement, strong bounce. Don't be surprised, goes right to 100. You know, hold your buy positions. You know, Bitcoin's here to stay. Minimum 98's happening. That is going to happen. 98's going to happen. It's very, I'm very sure of that. You know, anything's possible. You know, we could all die tomorrow. You know, it's a crazy time, and the market is affected, even from war, everything. But hold your buy positions. 98. I'm pretty sure shot of that, guys. All right, let's get some gold. Okay, so lots covered. Beautiful. If you followed my strategy in the group or from the previous video, you are drastically in profits, and you probably closed all your buy positions because I told you to. That is fine. We did not touch 2,700, but it counts as a positive signal because I think it got to like 26.99, so like 26.96, something like that. Beautiful, guys. You can't go wrong with this, and it's holding. So given that information, sell-off coming at the end of the day, that was expected. I think I even got in a small short position closed out. It's just small scalps, nothing to worry about. We're staying strong with the trend. You know, you can't go wrong with this one, guys. So Sunday comes around, what's going to happen? It's we could open with a gap down here. Don't fret. I'm looking for Monday, though. I'm looking for a spot to buy back in Monday. I do not believe this is over. It could fall. I think it would take a lot for it to do that. This still counts. Sorry, this still counts as a necessary liquid dump, right? So I think we're gonna go strong off basis of that, and I do believe 2,700 is an absolute target. You know, lots to cover on this. Minimum buys 0.2, guys. You know, use your leverage capabilities accordingly. But it's pretty much a sure shot. We are not out of the woods yet. You know, and it's smack dab in the. Let me do that better. It's smack dab in the middle of previous resistances and support. So target 2,700, 2,710, and 2,725. I do think we are going to have a bullish Monday, guys. I'm gonna bet accordingly on this one. It's unless something crazy happens tomorrow, you know. Like I said, anything happens with the news. But overall, just an irregular ass day of trading, pardon my language. You know, 2,700 for sure, 2,710, 2,725. You know what? And I got some spare time, so we are going to talk about some technical indicators. I'm going to do you a big solid on this one. Let's do it. Let's show it. All right. This is the wrong one. Hold on. Okay, beautiful. I got it. Okay, so I guess there's enough time. I'm going to run through it quick. Okay, so essentially it's this. This is, so if you see right here, this is in the indicators. You type in super trend. It should be the first one. Super trend, right? Since we're running out of time, I'll run through the schematics real quick. First one, you want to turn on the indicator. You go to settings. Go to settings, get rid of the background. Go to inputs, 12 and 3. Next. Next one, same thing. 10 and 1. Get where we're going with this? We're separation. There's some separation between. Stay with me. Next one. Last one is 11 and 2. Now, for the style and visibility, I just switched it around. I wanted to, because it comes, you'll see what I mean when you do it yourself. Get the backgrounds, just set it to black, you know, so you don't confuse yourself with a bunch of, schematics in the background. Okay, so long story short, I got to make this quick because I only got 10 minutes. So, basic rule. From start to the end, If you see three, it has to be three, a total of three. If you have three lines underneath, three green lines underneath, that confirms that you're in a positive bullish trend. Now, you can do the same in reverse. If you have three, has to be three red lines above, it shows that you're in a negative trend, a bearish trend, meaning, you always trade with the trend. It would be very, very unwise to trade against that. You're asking for trouble if you do. Some do it. I do not. Want a for sure shot. So 3, you do short sales. 3 green, you do buy positions. And just from that alone, just from this basic information, you'll increase your portfolio at least 50%, guys. You can't go wrong with this. It's an excellent way. You trade with the trend, act accordingly. As always, I just wanted to touch on this video, and you'll probably see me again Monday or even maybe tomorrow. As always, TMT, and good luck.